Hey up and how do, welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm Mr. Wraith Childs, and on today's episode I thought we would make a garland. Not like your traditional garland made out of bits of like Christmas tree, but a just garland that's made out of string and leftover bits and bobs from previous crafts, such as the cinnamon sticks and the orange slices. I may add a few other bits in there as we go, but I'll tell you about those as we go through. Just to let you know, this video is sponsored by just this beautiful scenery around us. You can't do better than that. So yeah, let's get cracking. Right, so first things first, this mini hand has to be placed on the... Just place it here. It's there. It's there. I need to get my string sorted out, so I'm going to make the garland about a metre, I'd say. A metre, and just cut it there. So on either end you could make a loop, or you could just leave it like that if you want to attach it to something, but I'm just going to make 2 loops at either end. Just going to tie a little knot. I mean, I'm not saying I'm the best at tying knots, so but I didn't cut at brownies. No, it's cubs. Or is that cubs? Brownies, isn't it? Brownies is the girls, is it? Or is that girl guy? Look, I didn't go to them as a child. I don't know why I didn't get these opportunities as a child. Not saying anything. So we're just creating a little bit of a loop. I'm sure there's an easier way to make a loop than this, but where is it? Just I'm getting there, love. I'm getting there. Another craft you could do with kids, you know, if you've, while they're on the holidays and they're getting under your feet. Honestly, love. Whoever's got kids, honestly, good luck to you. I couldn't do it. I've got 4 cats and that's enough. Let me just make this second loop. I'm making a second loop. I hate this part. I hate fiddly bits. I just hate fiddly bits like this. I might just make a loop and just... Oh god. Alright, one sec. One sec. Just making the loop. So the loop is... Loop is nearly done. Oh, right, that's a loop. I've done the loop. So these are your loops. So what I want to do next, I've got 5 orange segments and 5 of the cinnamon sticks. Oh god, they do smell it, isn't it? Oh yeah, very cinnamon. And do they still smell like orange? No. I think that smells of cinnamon. Very cinnamon orange inspired. So what I'm going to do is, I've seen people that have like made holes and threaded these through. But I don't know how I'm going to do that. Actually, because I was just going to glue them down. Do you know what? I'm just going to glue them down. I'm just going to glue them down like this. There's going to be some glue, and just what I would do first is just I would find the middle first, and then put your first one on there. So I'm going to put a bit of our glue gun on there. Nice copious amount of glue. And then pop your string in there, and then just leave that to set. See all these little stringy bits? I don't mind them. Just you can pull them off. You can pull them off, and you want to measure another space out. And I'm going to stick one there, and then I'm just going to put another copious amount of glue on there too. then stick down again, like so. Just while that's drying, we can have a chin wag, can't we? Just been to watch the new Spider-Man film. Literally, I have never been in an audience where everyone's been gasping because the gag was that real. I was like, honestly, if you like superhero films, Spider-Man, it's the best one. That's all I'm saying. It's the best one. And then we're going to put another orange segment. Oh, I think I'm running out of glue here. Another orange segment. Just some more copious amounts of glue. I don't exactly know where I'm going to hang this yet, but I really wanted to make one of these. But to be fair, you don't even have to have a reason. I mean, I wanted to make some of these for my friends. One of my friends, she would absolutely love things. She loves things like this. Very natural, very like organic, very classy. She's a very classy lady. Oh, running out of glue. Come on, get in. Oh jeez, right. Just have to clear. Can't speak. I can't speak. I'm just gonna have to get another glue stack, and then shove that in there. Right, the glue is on. The glue is on. Where are we? Oh God, I don't even know where we are. Oh yeah, here we are. And then I'm going to put that one there. I hope you're all looking forward to Christmas, and it's going to be a good one. It doesn't actually feel like Christmas yet for me. I think because I'm working from home, there's no vibe or anything. It's all in office. You're doing your Secret Santa, you're doing this and that. There's none of that, love, but oh God, there's none of that, but what can you do, love? What can you do? And then I'm going to put my last one, I'm just going to pop that on sideways. So you've just got to make the best of it, love. That's what you've got to do, make the best of it. And then stick that in there as well. Oh jeez. I love glue guns. I just think it's so good. And then that's all of the orange segments. But in between, I wanted to put these just in between. Do you know what I mean? Or just next to it, just so it added another element to it. So I'm going to do that as well. Just so it has that extra element. Ooh, yeah, so obviously because we're coming to the end of Christmas, well, the start of Christmas, or, you know what I mean, it's nearly Christmas, it's nearly here and gone. So after Christmas and the new year, it'll be whole brand new videos. I want to experiment with some more like home DIYs. I do want to do some more ASMR because I did quite enjoy that. That was my first one, so don't judge me. Actually, you can judge me. Not bothered. You can judge. Yeah, I'm looking forward to next year and just everything that's going to be happening, really. I mean, personally, I mean, while the world goes to, you know what I mean, while the world is cracking up, all I'm going to say is you've got to have your own little peace and harmony within your own home, do you know what I mean? So while the world's on its arse, you just make yourself a cup of tea, have a bit of a craft, and just know that things will get better. So let me just put the final decoration on there. So I'm just going to let that dry just for a moment. So my idea was with this, I could put, the thing is the silver. And I didn't remember even picking these up in the shop to buy them. But my husband was like, yeah, you bought them. I passed them to him. Allegedly, I passed these to him. I would never buy silver pegs. I don't even like glitter. So my idea was, when I found out I had these, I mean, you can do it. I don't know if I'm going to do it because I did have some clear wooden pegs upstairs somewhere, actually. Left over from an advent calendar. Oh god, the glitter. No. I was going to put these on there and then you could attach Christmas cards, but the amount of glitter that's coming off this is just disgusting. Nah. No. We're not doing glitter, love, not in this house. So, this is the finished garland. And I think it's really effective. Really effective. I mean, if it's a necklace, can you imagine? Very high fashion. I don't know if I can hang this up here actually and show you. Edit this bit. Edit. Just edit this bit for me. Just edit this bit. Where can I hang this to show you? Edit. Just having a little. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here. Where am I going to put? Oh no. Simply having a wonderful Christmas. It's time. I'm just going to hang it over this. Right. Simply. Oh God, help me. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time. Ding dong, ding dong. Edit this bit. Right, I'm going to show you. So that is it there, but you can obviously, that side would look stunning. I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but you can hang it somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Look, stunning. Pardon me. Okay, well thank you for watching that video. I hope you liked and I hope you do subscribe. Plenty more videos are on the way for the festive period and then brand new videos for 2022. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed and have a wonderful rest of your day and a happy Christmas. And I will see you very soon. Toodaloo.